Hi kids, today I will tell you the names of the things in the kitchen. Let's start. Stove. S-T-O-V-E. Stove. Stove. Cabinet. C-A-B-I-N-E-T. Cabinet. Fridge. F-R-I-D-G-E. Fridge. Fridge. Bowl. B-O-W-L. Bowl. Bowl. Pan. P-A-N. Pan. 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 Spoons. S-P-O-O-N-S. Spoons. Mixer. M-I-X-E-R. Mixer. Mixer. Cup. C-U-P. Cup. 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 Glass. G-L-A-S-S. Glass. Glass. So this is my kitchen. Cabinet, stove, pan, fridge, mixer, spoons, plates, cups, glasses and bowls. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Next video on 21st January. Bye bye.